Figured it'd be a good evening to finally tear down this motor. Haven't had a rush on it since winter never showed up. As you can tell, it's March 2nd and the garage door is open. So that's pretty sad, but see what happened this thing. Well, I suppose we'll start with draining the oil out of this thing.
Straight out the back, huh?
Well, it ain't hot, so it should be alright.
It was more the angle I think we were talking about.
So you know, when we first started this thing up, oh yeah, dude, nice and gray. Nice. I was waiting forever for the coolant to start cycling, and then realized that we had to fill it up from the top hose. It literally shut off on the first startup because it was so hot, and the wiring deal there, spark control box, actually plugs into the temp sensor too, and it got so hot where it cut the spark and shut it off. And then we never changed the oil. So, yeah, you know, 320,000 miles and, well, things like that. It's no wonder why she didn't last very long. I mean, obviously the heads and everything should come off, but I kind of just want to pull the bearing right away because obviously it's spun a bearing. The bearings are totally shot. Made another rookie mistake here too. Putting these on. I couldn't find the new gaskets, so I just put silicone on them. And then I found the new gaskets, and I was taking it back off.
What'd you do with mine?
I just moved them all over there. So I can open up the toolbox?
Well, now I don't know who's this.
And this one started feeling like the threads are all messed up. So I just left it, and you know, it just kept on leaking.
Yeah.
But now I don't care if it busts off because it's out now, we can fix it.
Oh, yeah.
Justine, go talk for it.
No, you don't.
Pick the silicone off of here.
Yeah, you wish. Maybe? What's happening?
So I just need that off of this bolt so I can take it off. No. The silicone off the bolt. Gonna have to turn some heat on for the boys.
Oh, hell yeah.
Look. Yeah, there we go.
All these tools and he has to go to the car.
There's still silicone all over these nice fresh heads from we were trying to rush it there and using the factory intake gaskets that I knew weren't gonna work, but we wanted to hear it because you need to order the special ones that couldn't come with the whole kit for $1,000. And yeah, I stuck a whole bunch of wet silicone in there, but that's no big deal. How's that going?
Sure.
Oh.
Probably can get
See,
it.
them three are fine.
We'll probably get it, man.
Well, look at you go. Alright, let's see if she snots. There was definitely something wrong with this one. Oh yeah. That's why I didn't properly fix it before, because I knew that was gonna happen and then we would have been in.
Dan,
We would have had some issues there, boys.
are we done with this? Are we done?
Yeah, pretty good, thanks. Look at that, dude, just fucking
They're
over
gonna
in there.
cut all that out too.
Yeah, if you want.
You want to cut it? No, I'll go for it.
You getting mauled out there or what?
Oh, it just smells like blown up motor.
It's just burnt.
Yeah. Yo! Oh! Son, you know.
A little bit.
Tearing this turd down finally. Funny story here about the nice, clean looking rocker arms. So we got a couple in here. Them are actually from that other motor that never had the oil change, that was completely covered in sludge and washed off. This motor that always had the oil change, they're just staying that way because they never were sludged up. Weird fun fact. They're not moved, they were just sludgy. So, I'm just gonna tip this thing over and dig into the problem down there. That's gonna be awesome.
I told you it needed some freeing up.
Oh yeah, the quick steel repair there too, because we somehow busted 2 oil pans. Yeah. Lots of learning with this one here.
Just sore.
Now it smells real burnt.
4 hours.
Just want to leave all the bolts where they go, so.
Yeah.
There's like pieces of metal and
Is
such
there up
in
in
the
there?
sump screen.
Oh, yeah.
Yummy. You having fun yet?
Yeah. Young trash. Has caution. Needs caution.
Yeah, I ran piss pot
Sometimes
once.
you do, okay? Nobody's perfect. But then there's a fucking giant ass bumper on the track.
You run it over and keep going.
Yeah, exactly.
Not in his.
I tried.
Yeah, he did.
After he got
Oh,
on
did
the
he?
side, actually turned on.
Yeah, I was the first rollover of that night. I was the only rollover that night.
Were you even there?
I was there when it blew up.
Yeah,
Pretty
you came
sure.
with us. You just didn't
Because
race
the-
until Sunday.
Because the fire extinguisher didn't work the first time, so I had to run and get a different one.
Oh,
I'd say the old sloppy stage 2 cam should be just fine. She looks like. Then you gotta mark them. They're already marked for you.
oh, there, he stamped them. Nice. Nice.
LS Nation, boys. And remember, we never even checked the bearings in this bottom end, so. Yeah, let's come right out.
Is there a side bolt?
Oh my god.
That is weird.
There is. I did
It's
not know that.
I was looking at the bracing. It was really goofy. So
Huh.
it was like a weird
That's
T.
fucking wild, dude. Fucker's got 6 bolt mains.
Yeah, I know, right?
In all reality.
Yeah.
Huh. I did not do my research. Wow, that is interesting.
Yeah, I've never seen that.
But still, come on. Fucking fight. Thanks. Wow, look, cock.
You shake her up first
No,
or
I
what?
didn't. I got tipped over.
So yeah, this is the first time any of us have ever taken apart badminton in LS, so we're just learning as we go here.
Ain't doing shit.
Yeah, you don't care.
You are.
I know, but we're learning. You could be learning.
I'm learning. Watching you do it.
You'll watch the video later.
Yeah.
Well,
I watched the last one.
oh man.
I watched the one about you putting your plow on and burning the fucking car down.
Oh, yeah, everything's always on fire, dude.
Well, let's hope this thing don't start on fire.
Yeah, this should be on fire tonight.
You got
Sure,
rope.
There's one.
Might be one outside. Well, probably not now. It's dark. It's dark as shit.
You just have to break them free a little bit or what? Oh, there's a bearing that's not so great.
What is all this shit all over the place?
Part of a bearing, I think.
Oh my
All
gosh.
melted
Yeah, it's
in
gotta
there.
be. Nice.
Yeah. Don't look good. Oh shit.
Gross.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, that is molten metal.
Nice.
Very, very nice. So it happens when combination of things, I'm sure. Cooked oil, overheated the shit, probably a bunch of brake cleans. Crank doesn't look terrible. Probably just slap bearings in his runner. It's not good, but it ain't as torched
Not
as
as
that
bad
one.
as the last one.
Oh, yeah, there's lots of.
Pretty scarred up.
You can.
Can I?
Yes.
I don't know if I can.
Grab your other pliers.
Need a paint marker. So I
I
see
got one in
the.
my car actually.
Do you?
Yeah.
Can you get it?
Still.
So it looks like the rod caps have some things that point forward, but they ain't numbered. So these are actually numbered, so that's cool. We'll pull one of them off. We'll actually number them.
You should do that one too. No, I don't. No? I don't even. See, I want two.
Thanks.
Why do you every day? Mandatory.
We have
Lessons and everything.
so make it patty.
11 mil.
No.
Yeah.
Pretty shitty.
Seems to be the thing, huh?
That one looks interesting.
Yeah.
Where's your jacket?
This one's really nice. She's melted right to the
Is
bottom.
that the one that probably went?
One of them. Yeah, oh, this makes sense.
Yeah.
She wasn't getting oil pressure here.
Well,
For
my
sure.
original plan was to go to
Rooftop.
Michigan and come back and go home. But 20 minutes out of Rice Lake before we got back.
She's melted on both sides.
I was doing so I couldn't kind of just went to bed.
Oh.
And I didn't have a jacket.
Yeah, that one's toasted.
And it was nice out. It was nice, not too bad, not so fucking cold as shit.
Oh, wow.
Grease,
Wow, okay. Not good. Not good at all. Junk is what you call this.
Got nice ambiance background.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
You fucking jungle.
Hell, they're striped up bad.
Open the door and then fucking red for us.
Yeah.
That's why I went to a fucking rainforest.
Yeah. That's it's not good. She probably needs to be at least 20,000. Might as well just fucking throw this cam and these heads on the junkyard bottom end. We'll
Got
see.
time nowadays.
Or we'll just fix it right and see what Brad says, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And then make it just meant probably. You know, I just really don't see the point of even holding on to this thing. Let's pull the good parts off. Why spend the money to get a crank ground and everything when you could just get another one that's fine and run her like the one that's in it now, and maybe throw bearings in it before this happens if you really cared. But let's pull the good parts off her and send this bottom end to China. I guess I'll just throw one of these back on there. They go in much easier than they come out. Just keep her in there, you know, and whatever. Actually putting tools where they belong, that's weird.
One chunk in there.
There, she's torqued. Take the old flex plate off of her. Ain't got me no puller yet to get this off, so that's gonna have to wait. We can get this off and strip the heads off too. I must use silicone as Loctite.
Got a spinner.
She spins much easier now.
It's not welded together.
Oh, look at that! Got the old new Dorman or something. Wow, there's a lot of bolts in that. Ain't that important. But the new whole rear cover with the new rear main seal, and that was definitely the reason. I guess you should probably leave these loose first and then tighten down the pan, because we cracked both of them, you know. So whatever. I can just
Not moving.
Oh, I should hold the bolt first.
That.
Delicious. Oh, wow.
You took that off already. Yeah, it's everywhere.
Little lifters and cams should be alright though. Under an hour of run time on them. Save all these basically brand new lifters here. Tip her back over, probably bolt that back on it too, because that's cracked anyway. And get the harmonic balancer pulled off and the new timing set, oil pump and cam, and send her on its way. Got the old harmonic balancer off. Take out the old oil and the plate cover. Got the old oil pump too and bought. Mints. And there's your camshafty sloppy stage 2. Well, there she is, boys. Got all the good parts off of her. It's pretty hard to complain about this weather, but this was very, very strange in my 31 years of existence. We had a brown Christmas and we never got enough ice to drive on the lake, or really any snow. And for a guy like me that actually kind of likes winter and really loves ice racing, it is pretty sad and strange, but bring on summer here and we got all sorts of stuff we can do. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.